Today, because the weather's not going to hold, we're doing a shorter hike. We're also an inland hike, not round the coast path. We're starting at Castle Gate. We're going up to Castle-an-Dinas
at Penwith.
And there's a little tower there called Roger's Tower, which is
like a sandcastle.
Yeah, it looks like a sandcastle.
It's known as a folly.
It's a folly
because it has no use, no purpose.
It was built for a guy called Roger, believe it or not, back in 17 something, late 1700s, and apparently he used some of the stones from Castle-an-Dinas when he built it, which didn't go down too well.
But Castle-an-Dinas is actually a Bronze Age settlement, so this is very ancient. 4,000 years.
Yeah,
That's older than us.
Not much of it left, just a few walls. But at the moment it is gorgeous. Hopefully it'll hold while we're out. But off we go.
Don't believe the weather forecast, John. Just has the green underset and little green tips. That's definitely a live.
Well, this is a different side to Cornwall. It's a quarry. It might be a clay pit, and it kind of looks like the Rocky Mountains. So in the distance, we've got our first point of destination. Roger's Tower, and it looks like a little sandcastle pot upside down.
It'll be tiny in this film.
Yeah, it's not much bigger in real life. St Agnes in the distance, I think.
St Agnes, that's Hale, surely.
It's not that cliffy though, is it?
Where are we?
Well, Penzance is down there.
Now you might see a snake here, so it's quiet, it's coming.
Arrived at our first destination. Roger's Tower. We're quite high up.
Panoramic view all the way around.
I'll look round.
So this is where you live.
Do come into my abode. It's a bit humble.
Have we pointed the ceiling?
Yeah. The views are nice.
Right, over the furthest part you can see is Mousehole. Then this side of it is Penzance, where the 5k race was last weekend. Your St Michael's Mount in the distance southerly part of England. Over this side, you've got Hale, and that's the northern coast of Cornwall. And way over there in the distance, which you won't see in this film, the little monument
On the horizon.
on the horizon is where we live.
That one will be
Janet's just found a new friend.
gorgeous. That was funny.
It's a jump. It's so quiet, stealth.
Okay, well we're at a rather large quarry now. And they're after, I think, sand and, is it sand? Aggregates.
Sand and
Granite.
granite.
And they've dug half of the landscape away really, but you can still see St Michael's Mount in the distance.
What does it say?
It says
Danger.
Danger.
Quarry, keep out, and trespassers will be prosecuted.
Okay,
You
Mrs.
have no right to roam.
I'm going to prosecute you now.
Hello. It's the police phoning us. Please get out of our quarry. Move back in that light.
Baby one.
A little project for renovation here. Quite a bit of work needed on it. Anyway, it's front door.
After you, Terry.
Oh, the ranger's still here.
Oh yeah, wow.
All mod cons.
Big timber.
And a tin bath, yes.
Open chimney, open fireplace.
It would have been warm, wouldn't it? Because they've got a range there. with
Still got the
chimneys.
ash. Still got the ashes in it.
Oh no, really? Okay.
How many rooms do you think this would have had?
Two.
One up, one down?
No, I
Or
can
two
never-
up, two
I can
down?
never quite work out what looked like steps going up above that fireplace.
Yeah, there's a ceiling bit there.
Very
wall,
low.
and then
Yeah. It's possible it had 4 rooms. This has been bricked up with modern blocks, look. So that would have been a window.
Yeah.
And possibly a doorway.
Yeah, you're right.
One's loose.
Well, it is now.
We'll just pick this one up. No, okay.
You can't put that in our garden.
Scuttling out.
Well, we could. He's filming that.
You must have walked an awfully long way. Look. U.S. Mail. Or Pigmore Cottage. But it is approved by the Postmaster General, so that's okay.
Baker's Pit.
Yeah, it's not all around
It's a shame.
there. I suppose if it's a wildlife reserve though.
I'd like to have gone round it. I'd like to go fishing in it. Oh, there's a bird of prey up there.
See the sandy banks there.
Step on it.
We've done just over 4 miles. We're going to head back now before the rain hits us. Well, it's been a nice walk.
Interesting. Lots of little features.
Lots of little bits of wildlife and flora, fauna.
Seen Rogers Tower, Baker's Pit, a snake.
Janet got kissed by a dog.
Oh yeah. I'm
And
surprised.
we've read up about how bad the snake bites can be, so we're
More cautious now, perhaps.
a bit more cautious about picking them up.
Guess who was going to pick it up?
It certainly wasn't me. I was swearing as usual. Thank you.
So lovely walk, but back home now. Not far, or back to the car. Not far to go.